Replacement doors. Rockford, Illinois is home to a wide range of door installation services, offering everything from entry door replacement to patio doors and storm doors. Whether you're looking for French doors or sliding doors, Rockford Door Services have you covered. With a focus on energy-efficient doors, Rockford IL door installation services ensure your home is both stylish and sustainable. For those seeking custom doors, Rockford Custom Door Solutions provide personalized options to fit any aesthetic. From door hardware to door materials, Rockford door-style options cater to every taste. Door customization is key, and Rockford door fitting experts ensure a perfect fit every time. With door measurement services Rockford, you can be confident in the precision of your new doors. Door security is a top priority, and Rockford Door Security Solutions offer peace of mind with advanced locking systems and reinforced door frames. Door frame replacement is expertly handled by Rockford door frame experts, ensuring durability and safety. For those in need of door repair, Rockford Door Maintenance Services provide comprehensive solutions to keep your doors in top condition. Energy-efficient doors. Rockford are designed to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Insulated doors. Rockford offers superior thermal performance, while door sealing Rockford IL ensures airtight protection against the elements. Door insulation is a crucial component of energy efficiency, and Rockford Door Services excel in this area. Interior replacement doors. Rockford offers a variety of styles and materials to enhance your home's interior design. Exterior door services. Rockford provide robust and attractive options for your home's facade. Door refinishing services in Rockford IL can restore the beauty of your existing doors, while door upgrades Rockford IL offer modern enhancements for improved functionality. For those considering a new door installation, Door Consultation Rockford IL provides expert advice and guidance. Rockford patio door experts specialize in creating seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. Storm door replacement. Rockford ensures your home is protected from harsh weather conditions, while French door installation Rockford adds elegance and charm. Sliding door services Rockford offer space-saving solutions for modern homes. With a focus on door styles and door materials, Rockford Door Services provide a wide array of options to suit any preference. Door fitting is a critical aspect of installation, and Rockford door fitting experts guarantee a flawless finish. Door upgrades in Rockford IL include the latest in door technology and design. From door refinishing to door maintenance, Rockford Door Services cover all aspects of door care. Door sealing Rockford IL and door insulation are essential for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Replacement doors. Rockford Consultation Services offer personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and preferences. Custom door designs. Rockford allow for unique and tailored solutions that reflect your personal style. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Rockford IL door installation services are the go-to choice for all your door needs.